Despite being an unforgiving environment, people have been calling the colorful deserts of the American Southwest home for millennia. Near the town of Camp Verde, Arizona, Montezuma's castle sits almost 100 feet high into a sheer limestone cliff. Built almost 1,000 years ago, the ruins contain 5 stories and almost 60 different rooms. Its strategic positioning offered great security to its original inhabitants. It's also the reason it survives so intact to this day. It was mistakenly called Montezuma's Castle by American pioneers who thought it was built by the Aztecs.